In this video, I'm going to show you how to pass a basketball. Hey guys, welcome to Things to Learn. My name is Prakash, and in this channel I post how-to videos about basketball, filmmaking, YouTubing and blogging. If you are interested in any of these things and want to learn more, then please consider subscribing because a lot of great contents are on the way. Most of us think that dribbling and shooting basketball is the important skill, but I'm going to say that it's not completely right, because making accurate and quick passes is very crucial in a basketball game. So if you want to become a complete basketball player, you should learn how to pass the ball correctly. Let's suppose that you are playing basketball game and you have ball in your hand. Before you dribble the basketball, you should always see if your friends or if your teammates are free somewhere in the court. Okay, so before you dribble, look ahead and see and make pass. Okay, pass is fastest way to move the ball in the court. So don't waste time dribbling the ball when you can pass. Okay, and depending upon position of your teammates and the defender, you can pass basketball in 3 ways, and we'll talk about all 3 ways. Okay, first one is chest pass. You use chest pass when you want to give pass quickly to the teammate that is closer to you. To give chest pass, spread your fingers and hold the ball tightly near your chest, okay, just like this, and throw the ball to your teammate's chest and keep extending your hands as if you are shooting, you know, like a follow through. Keep extending your hand. Okay, don't give it too high, don't give it too low, because defender might steal the ball. So it's a quick pass, all right, from your chest to your teammate's chest, and just boom. Second is bounce pass. Bounce pass is very similar to chest pass. In here, what you do is hold the ball tightly near your chest and bounce the ball in front of your teammates. That is bounce pass. Bounce passes are a bit slow, so be very careful. Be very careful of your defender. If your defender is around you, then avoid giving that bounce pass, because your defender might steal the ball easily. And third kind of pass is overhead pass. This pass is used when you want to pass the ball to a larger distance. If your teammate is a bit far, then we use overhead pass to pass the ball. And yeah, I missed one point. When you're passing ball, you can either pass in this position, like your legs aligned together, or if you want a little bit of extra power, then take one of your feet front when you're passing. Okay, like for example, if you're giving chest pass, take your dominant leg in front and pass the ball. It will give a lot of power to your pass. Okay, and similarly with bounce pass, same thing. Take your dominant leg front and pass the ball. And when it comes to overhead pass, it is very, very crucial that you take your dominant leg front before passing, because it gives a lot of power. And when you are giving overhead pass, you want to throw the ball as far as possible, you know. You don't want defender to steal the ball in between. So when you are giving overhead pass, make sure that you are bringing your dominant foot front. It's like this. It will give a lot of power. It will add a lot of power to your pass. That's it. Hope this video was helpful, guys. If this video was helpful, then please give it a thumbs up. If I have missed any important point, or if something stood out for you, then please mention it in the comment box so that others can learn from it. And if you want me to make other videos just like this, then please consider subscribing. And our next video is going to be about shooting, so don't miss it. Thank you for watching, guys. Keep practicing and stay amazing. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.